printer's network port data connection port. Click on the Ethernet icon. Please watch carefully. The display here is 1 GB, indicating that your computer has a Gigabit network port that is sufficient to support machine input. If your computer only has a 100M network port output, then we need to use a network port converter to convert it into a Gigabit input port. After using the network port converter, please observe if it has been converted to 1 GB. If it has been converted to 1 GB, it indicates successful conversion. If it has not been converted to 1 GB, please contact technical personnel. Special situation: if you have inserted 2 network cables, and do not know how to distinguish which one is the printer data network port, then we can use this method to confirm. When we raw plug and unplug this network port data connection cable, please note that the icon will change.